Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today. The world is loud from the moment you wake up. Notifications, emails, news, noise. Before your feet even hit the floor, you're already pulled into chaos. But the Stoics had a different idea. Don't react to the day. Prepare for it. Today, we're diving into the morning routine of a modern Stoic. A simple but powerful series of practices to help you start your day with clarity, strength, and calm. Let's begin, before the world gets too loud. Part 1. Why Mornings Matter. Marcus Aurelius began each day with thought and reflection. In meditations, he reminded himself, at dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work as a human being. What do I have to complain of if I'm going to do what I was born for? Mornings are mental battlegrounds. Win the first hour, and you win the tone of your entire day. The Stoic morning is not rushed. It is intentional, disciplined, and centered. Part 2. The 6-step morning routine of a modern Stoic. 1. Wake with purpose. No snoozing, no scrolling. The moment you wake up is your first decision of the day. Do you postpone life with the snooze button, or do you rise, ready to live? Epictetus said, don't explain your philosophy, embody it. Get up, get present. Don't check your phone, check your mind. Ask, what kind of person do I want to be today? What's within my control right now? 2. Brief morning silence, 2 to 5 minutes. Before input, create space, sit, stand, breathe. Just be. This silence is not passive, it's active awakening. You're not escaping the day, you're meeting it with a calm mind. Even one deep breath with intention can reset your nervous system. 3. Morning reflection, Stoic journaling or thinking. This is the heart of the Stoic morning. Marcus Aurelius did it with ink. You can do it with a notebook or in your mind. Ask yourself, what challenges might I face today? Who or what might test my patience? What virtues do I want to practice? Courage, temperance, honesty. Write it down. Today I may be criticized. I will not react. I will listen with humility. Today I may face delay. I will breathe. I will not waste time on what I can't control. This is mental armor. You are preparing, not predicting, so that when life hits, you're ready. 4. Practice memento mori, negative visualization. Spend 1 minute imagining something you take for granted. Gone. Your voice, your health, your freedom. A loved one. Not to be morbid, but to ignite gratitude. Seneca reminded us, you act like mortals in all that you fear and like immortals in all that you desire. Don't wait to appreciate life. Do it now, while it's still here. 5. Move the body, activate the mind. The Stoics believed in balance, mind and body. You don't need to run a marathon, just move. Stretch, walk, breathe deeply, feel your feet on the ground. This reminds you, you are here, you are alive, and that is enough. Marcus wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Movement reminds you of that power, from the inside out. 6. Choose one word to live by today. End your routine with a word, a mantra, a compass. Some Stoic words to choose from. Patience, discipline, stillness, justice, focus, gratitude. Write it, speak it, let it guide your decisions. Today I choose equanimity. Today I embody courage. Today I will act with kindness no matter the chaos. That's your internal compass for the rest of the day. Part 3. Combine with Stoic reading. If you want extra depth, read 1 page from Meditations, Marcus Aurelius. Letters from a Stoic, Seneca. The Enchiridion, Epictetus. 1 line is enough to shift your mindset for the next 12 hours. Write it, reflect on it, carry it. It is not things that upset us, but our judgment about them, Epictetus. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way, Marcus Aurelius. Part 4. What this routine builds over time. Mental resilience, emotional clarity, freedom from reaction, inner peace before external pressure. You become less flustered, less distracted, less pulled by others, more focused, more intentional, more grounded. You don't just start your day, you set the tone for how you meet the world. Conclusion. Start Stoic, stay strong. You don't need 2 hours, you don't need perfection, you need presence. You need 15 minutes of truth before the world pulls you away. So tomorrow, rise like a Stoic. Breathe, reflect, visualize, move, choose your word. Begin. And watch how that small morning ritual becomes the foundation for an extraordinary day. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this routine inspired you to reclaim your mornings, like, share, and subscribe. Send it to someone who needs to start strong, inside and out. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.